It's been a while. It's been a year. We're back, reunited. All right, we're here in Chicago. We got my favorite, Heritage Bikes Crunch Wrap. Of course, always plant-based. We got that vegan Crunch Wrap, black beans, got that Just Egg in there. Looks like there's some cheese in there. I'm excited for this one. That first bite bringing back all the good memories. Of course, we gotta try the sauce. It's even better with the sauce. All right, let's do a little hot sauce, dog, right?
Yeah, that's right,
A
Chris.
little hot sauce. Give it a little drip of that. This thing's hitting right now. Check it out. All right, we're gonna rate this thing 1 through 10. I'm factoring in the nostalgia. This Crunch Wrap, 8.4. So good. If you're in Chicago, Heritage Bikes and coffee.